Take a look at the 2015 Encore. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, dual power mirrors, interval wipers, rear wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, cloth upholstery, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.